post notification shout out time. Today's post notification shout out goes out to GW13 Empire. Make sure y'all go over his channel and check it out. Subscribe to his channel, let him know that Dekaboo sent you. Whether you've just started or you've already started your YouTube channel, these are some tips you need to know not to do. So, I'm Dekaboo. Welcome to my channel. Click the like button, share, and subscribe. So, first up, sub for sub. When you just started your YouTube channel, yes, you're gonna feel as if you don't have enough subscribers. You get 1 subscriber and you feel alone, you feel lost, like no one's watching my video. Then you'll see other YouTubers posting, you realize that they're subscribing to each other and you are subscribing back to them, saying please subscribe to me and I'll subscribe back. That is against YouTube policy. That is against YouTube policy. Do not sub for sub. Sub for sub is not going to get you anywhere, I tell you. Because if you have a lot of subscribers and all of them are sub for subs, most of them are not going to be even focused on your video. They're going to be focused on just gaining and gaining more and more subscribers. Subscribers is not a thing that you should focus on. It's not just what you should focus on. Because if I have 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 of them do sub for sub. When I post each time, most of them are not going to even click on my video. They're not going to turn on that post notification bell or anything. Next up is they tend to be camera shy. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we all are camera shy sometimes, putting ourselves out there. We're in a world that we're doing something different, we're starting something different, and we feel shy. I believe that we should just brave up, because even me, at first I was like, what will people say about me? What will people react? What will they react on this? And I think all sorts of negative thing and everything. But being camera shy makes you less confident. Be confident in yourself. Be confident knowing that you are working towards an aim. You're building an audience. You must always try to just put away the shyness. Say, this day I'm going to make this video. If you even make a video and it's not how you want it to be, you can make it over. Yeah. Another thing is people don't put time in what they do. They don't give their time and effort. Like if you make a video and you might say something off in the video, you don't tend to like research how I can cut out this part or I can do this. You just give the raw video because what? You're not putting in your time in your video. Remember, this takes time. Another thing is they are not being consistent. You know, like when you see someone posting a video, they post like 3 videos 1 week, then you don't see them post for a long period, a very long period, right? And then they come back, oh, I was gone, or sorry guys, or I'm back. Yes, it doesn't work it can work, but it doesn't really work for people who are like new to YouTube. Yeah, because people are gonna be like, who's that girl? Who's she? She just come, I'm back. Where's she from? I don't know that girl. 6 months later, who is that? You lost all of your subscribers already, or majority of your subscribers already, because you're not being consistent. Try to post at least 1 video a week. Post at least 1 video a week. 1 video a week. Because if you are not posting regularly, people are gonna forget you. Yes, they will forget you. Next is people don't engage with their audience. Yes, you have to engage with your audience, because yes, your audience are what we need. We need the audience, right? I need my audience. So each time someone posts under my video, you will see that I put a hard comment. Yes, I love that YouTube give us that opportunity, even though we can't generally message our subscribers personally, but that is my way to show that I care that you watch my video, and I comment under each video. Also, there is a community thing that the YouTube have that you just post whatever, engage your audience, talk to them, ask questions, and you can also tell them what video you're gonna post next through that post, or engage your audience, let them feel welcome, let them know that you are here with them and they're here with you, if you know what I mean. Next up is overdoing it. Overdoing the videos. Y'all be overdoing the time. Y'all. The time. You're making a video how to cut tomatoes. How to cut a simple tomatoes. Right? And you take an hour to do that one tomato. 1 hour for one tomato? No, that's not gonna work, baby. That ain't gonna work, sugar. It's not gonna work. If you are making a video, make sure your video time period is based on the video. Because if you're gonna draw it out and say, oh, and I cut up the carrots as well, and I do the pumpkins, and I do this, but yet your title is about tomatoes, you're focused on tomatoes, but you're gone all about the place. No, your videos are not supposed to be too long, and it's not supposed to be too short, right? Get to the point though. Okay, next up is spending. Now let me put down my pencil, because I had a pencil in my hand. Let me just put it down. When I say spending, I mean spending and buying views, or yeah, only must do that though. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about spending on equipments. Y'all, right now I'm videoing with my phone. Who knows what tomorrow or the next few years will be? Who knows? We don't. But for now, you just gotta work with what you have. If you don't have a ring light, tell you the honest truth, my ring light, it is gone. Right now I'm using a light bulb, and this, I'm getting the light that I need, right? I'm getting light. Are you seeing me? Yes, you are. Yes. Do not spend unnecessary cash. Do not. If you don't have it, don't worry. Don't say, oh my god, I don't have this, I can't make a video, I can't do this, or nothing like that. Do not. Work with what you have until you can achieve more. Another thing that we do that we should not do is forgetting our audience. As I said, build your audience. If you forget that you have an audience who like hair, skin, nails, if you're saying that you're gonna be a particular YouTuber, you're gonna have a niche, like you're gonna do hair, you start here, and then all of a sudden you start racing cars or playing games. Like, what about the old subscribers? What about the hair videos? What about what they like, what draws them to your channel? What about that? It will make the channel look a bit confusing and unbalanced. And don't get me wrong, when you just start your YouTube channel, you're not gonna really know what it's about unless you definitely have a talent. And I'm telling you, based on experience, I have no talent. I don't know what this is about, but I kind of have a little feeling. Alright, let me tell you about my channel. I like to do reviews, right? I like to do my hair, my skin, I like to talk. I like to teach how to, what not to do. I like to, yeah, that's basically my channel. And it's not a bit confusing because it's flowing. It's like a lifestyle challenge or something like that. Comment below if you understand what I'm saying. Alright, last but not least is the main thing that I focus mostly on, and that is promoting my channel. No one, sis or brothers, no one can promote your channel for you like you do. It don't matter if them famous, it don't matter if them have 500,000 subscribers, it doesn't matter. No one can put in the time and the effort and the love and the enthusiasm and everything in your promotion more than you. Each time you post a video, make sure you do like an Instagram. You can even use apps like InShot or KineMaster. There's more, Viva or Video, whatever. You can use those apps and like cut out a part of your video, like the most intriguing part to engage your audience, of course. Yes, cut out a part of that video to show what your video is about, or to say like, go over this video. Like if you make it a hair video, see how I dye my hair, yes, and have a clip and post it on your social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever. Post your video regularly, because what you are building your audience, and you must be consistent in doing so. So if these tips enlighten you to do better on your channel, just hit that like button. Yes, and if you wish, subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.